Most people try to get clients on LinkedIn by posting content and waiting. Others send cold DMs and get ignored. But what if you could combine content, outreach, and targeting and only message people who are already warm? This is the exact strategy I've used to generate thousands of leads, many of whom have become users of Bearconnect. Step 1 is start with a clear offer. Before anything else, you need clarity on two things. What do you offer and to whom? For example, I offer Bearconnect, which is a LinkedIn automation platform to sales teams, agencies, and founders. So once your offer is clear, your content becomes clear, your targeting becomes clear, and your outreach becomes clear. Most people skip this step and everything else fails. Step 2, create content for your target audience. Now start creating content related to your offer. Why is this important? Because when you send a connection request to your prospect, they typically visit your profile. They take about 5 to 7 seconds to decide whether to accept or ignore. And if they see you're posting, you're active, you're adding value, your acceptance rate goes up, you'll be surprised how many inbound leads you'll start getting by just staying active. So content builds trust before you even send a message. Step 3, the real question, who should you message? Now comes outreach. And here's the mistake most people make. They send DMs blindly to everyone. Instead, you should message people who are already warm. So now the real question is, how do you find warm people? Here's my secret. So here's exactly what I do. I go to LinkedIn search and type keywords, my keywords like sales, automation, LinkedIn. Then I filter for events and I look for events with the highest number of attendees. These are people who are already interested in your topic. They are warm. Then I click attend. I go to networking, scroll all the way down, click on see all, and then copy the URL. Now I paste this URL into Bearconnect. Bearconnect pulls names, profiles, and other information. And then I can send connection requests, messages, and follow-ups automatically. Using this strategy, my acceptance rate has been over 50% and my reply rate has been over 20%. I converted many of these leads into Bearconnect users. So just to recap, the full strategy is have a clear offer, create content for your target audience, find warm leads via LinkedIn events, and then send targeted DMs via Bearconnect. This is how you turn LinkedIn into a consistent client acquisition channel. And the best part is Bearconnect lets you write and schedule your content, so everything is in one place. If you want to try out this strategy, check out Bearconnect. The link is in the description below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.